Hello, everybody. My name is Ian Lamont. I'm the publisher of In 30 Minutes Guides, including Microsoft Word in 30 Minutes, as well as the Word 2019 cheat sheet. Today, I'm going to be talking about inserting an image into a Word 2019 document. Now, what I'm going to show you, this works for either the Mac OS version of Windows Word for Word or the Windows version of Word. The interface is almost the same. It's pretty easy to do. So right here, I have an article that I've written for a magazine, and I want to add my picture to it. So the way that you add the image, you put the cursor roughly where you want the image to appear, and then you go to the Insert tab. So go up to the ribbon interface here. It might be on Home or another one. Make sure it's on Insert, and then select Pictures. You have three options. Photo Browser, that kind of goes to the default photo application on your computer, whether it's Mac or Windows. Online Pictures, that's as it sounds. You'll go to some online website. I think it's Microsoft Bing Pictures to get the picture. Maybe it's free to use or it's a publicly available picture, or Picture from File. And I think this is what a lot of people actually do because they have a photo stored on their hard drive that they want to insert into the article or the document that they're writing. So select that. And you'll be brought to your file picker. So in Windows, it is the Explorer, Windows Explorer, or in Mac OS, it's Finder. This is Finder. So I want to get a picture of myself and stick it in there. So I already have some pictures available. So this is the one I'm going to use. So I selected it, and I clicked Insert. And whoa, this is way too big. I don't want my giant picture showing up there. So basically what I just did is I grabbed one of the corner squares. There's like, you see these little squares in the corner? Grab that, and then you can bring it in. So, okay. That looks a lot better, and then I can mess around with the formatting later on. For more tips and tricks on how to get the most out of Windows, Word for Windows or Word for Mac OS, check out our book, Microsoft Word in 30 Minutes, available from in30minutes.com, or our new Word 2019 reference and cheat sheet, also available from in30minutes.com. Thank you so much for watching.